Sabi po ng PNP, wala silang information sa pagbabanta sa inyong buhay. Inireport nyo lang po ba ito officially, ngunit nasabi nyong hindi ito pinansin ng mga kinauukulan?
Ma'am, nakakahiya sa buong mundo na ang Philippine National Police natin, who by the way has intelligence funds, hindi alam ang mga pangyayari sa ating bansa. Nakakahiya.
My question now to the administration, is revenge from the grave a crime? So I have to die first. They have to kill me first. So now they can't kill me anymore unless they want to die. Remember, they are known for political persecution. They suppress and oppress opposition. They assassinated their political enemy. Ang hindi lang po nagawa ni Benigno Aquino Jr.